know, just like everywhere in Jamaica, them get here, them have other names. That Toys Pen supposed to be Toys Meadows. Ellerslie Pen supposed to be like Ellerslie Muse or Ellerslie Avenue or something like that. You know, yeah. See a sign here. I don't know if the camera pick it up, but it's actually saying Toys Meadows. See it? Welcome to Toys Meadows on the left. I know them places are dangerous ground, right? Yeah. Nice people live over there, but you also have certain elements over there too.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. And right now we're in the town of Old Harbour, right in the middle of Old Harbour town, where the people would just turn from down, what them call this, a Bay Road or South Road. Yeah, the road they carry going to Old Harbour Bay, we just turn from off of the road there, right in front of the clock with it there we turn. Now, we basically make our way go in a Portmore, people, and as you can see, it's raining right now in the town of Old Harbour. Rain a fall, yeah. You see me, but I don't think no rain a fall in the direction where we are going, you know. Yeah, what I say. Yeah, I just think I does, you know, that does a poor little blessing for Old Harbour town right there, so still, you see me? Yeah, as you know, we are going to Portmore, we are going to go through Spanish town and then we go place. So we're at the old road, people, yeah, we're not at the highway. We're at the old road. At evening now, all of the traffic are come in at Old Harbour. So once we clear the town section right there, so we're not supposed to have no more traffic till at least when we catch Old Harbour Road near to the roundabout in a Spanish town. Probably this alone may I expect traffic, to tell you the truth. Based on the fact as I say right now, rush hour the traffic is going the opposite direction. Alright? People coming in from work and all of that. You understand? Yeah, my people, I could turn on the wiper a little bit slower. So like it have to, because I say I don't think the rain there ahead of me. Yeah, I'm crack the window a little bit too. Taxi man a load car and thing. Taxi. What? Taxi man say more one Freddy. Next taxi man say if he more one him for go in there go sit down and drive. And then the man a tell him back say I him more sit down in there for drive him. Yo, I don't understand them man you know. Yo, where them a go have it? Anyway, so people, yeah, the taxi stand and the car park, the bus park, on my right. Over here, up on the left is a little plaza, you know? Yeah. Now, based from where I come from, I could have taken a little, you know, a little road and thing. Could have taken a little road and to the drop you out somewhere up here, so. You know? But I just decide to want to go through the town, you know? Yeah, people. Now we can turn on the wiper a little bit more now too. Yeah. Yeah man, so as I say, I don't expect no much traffic, you know. Once me clear the little area right, so I don't expect no. And there's a police van actually sitting in traffic. Wow. It's a sign. If me play cash pack, I go check it out. I go buy police or something. So yeah, my people, I just want to make a shout out now to all of my new subscribers them, all of my new viewers them. I just say, yo, big up on yourself. Welcome to the family, you see me? Yeah, when you don't know the thing set up, you know. Yeah, man. Over here, say nothing about niceness. As we drive around the place and we just explore the place and we just chat about the things and yeah, more time we chat some foolishness too and run like a joke and them like something there. You understand? Yeah, man. Can't too serious, no. But big up on yourself, my new subscriber, man. Yo, me not lie. Me appreciate, you know. I'm glad me see una there and una engaging. You get what me I say? Una comment. You get what me I say? And una like up the video them and them thing there. Yo, me really appreciate, you know. Welcome to the family again once more. You see me? Yeah, man, no thing over here, man. You see me? Yeah, my people. So big up on yourself. And me original people, them. Una don't know the thing go from day one, una there. Bless up for yourself too, you understand? Yeah, man. Whether on the yard or on the abroad, big up on yourself, you understand? Yeah. I'm telling you, big up on yourself still. You know the thing set, man. Yeah, man, you know the thing set, man. We have some loyal people who always are checking in, you know, man. Always are checking. You get what me I say? Yeah, from some corners of the world, you would have never believe. Big up on yourself, man. You see me? Yeah, we let out that brother here. Yeah, man. Always have some loyal people that check in, man. I'm not telling a lie. Sir Colin, big up yourself, you know. Yes. Yes, man, big up yourself, you understand? Yeah. Manners and respect, you know. Yeah. Hope you and the family doing well, you know. Yeah. We'll take a little time because we don't want to splash nobody. Yeah, so we'll just take a little time, you know, in the rain. Remember, we don't live inside of the car, you know, so we have to be mindful of whoever walk outside because we can be walking out there anytime too. You see me? But people, when you see the traffic, yeah, rush hour traffic, these people. People them are coming back in the whole Harbour, yeah. And who are go to Maypen and, you know, Clarendon side. Yeah, all Mandeville too. You get me? I guess I'm going to do some expansion of the road right or so. Sort out little bridge and thing. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, sort out little bridge and thing, you know? Yeah. So yeah, my people, it's an evening drive this. The sun there behind away. It's soon set in the west. And we're heading east along the south coast, basically. Well, not the coast, but we're up on the southern side of the island. Alright? Yeah. We're up on the southern side of the island. Yeah, I'm gonna just make the wiper run slowly. Just in case no little drizzle. Then I may not realize it, you know. Yeah, wiper should take care of that. Until we come out of the part, yeah. Yeah. Because we're heading to Portmore and I'm almost certain the rain not there over Portmore people. Yeah, I'm almost certain. Like Portmore people, I don't know. We want to do the rain, make the rain not like, you know. Yeah, man. So you see me and tell us a smooth sailing going in. As I say, maybe on Old Harbour Road in the vicinity of the roundabout or close to the roundabout, approaching the roundabout, maybe that's where we'll see little traffic, alright? Yeah. And I think I got to turn off the wiper, you know. Yeah. some reason, a lot of people believe say like Old Harbour far, you know. Like a lot of people think say it far. Like them think say Old Harbour far for travel. I mean, I know Kingston, I know town, but really and truly, the commute not that bad for commute come to Old Harbour or from Old Harbour going into Kingston. You understand? Apart from when you have the rush hour traffic, it's not bad. And as I can see, the traffic is more when you're approaching the town. You get me? Once you clear out the roundabout, there's a Spanish town for Old Harbour Road. So once you kind of clear, there's like, or once you clear Featherbed Lane, coming into Old Harbour, once you clear Featherbed Lane, there's really no traffic. You just smooth sailing coming to the town. Yeah? And just like whole heap of town centers anywhere across the world, you have a little congestion of traffic, alright? So, yeah, but like, sometimes I tell people, say like, you know, yo, me I got Old Harbour go need something or me or whatever. You know, they're like, Old Harbour, country that man, but really and truly, no, I don't consider Old Harbour as country. Like the drive for say go a country, I don't consider it. Because it's really not a bad commute. I'm telling you the truth, it's not a bad commute. And if you take the toll, oh my gosh. Don't even mention the toll, people. I have a video when I take the toll. You can go check how much minutes it take me. Trust me. It that even make it quicker. Like smooth sailing in. By the time you Quinte reach. You understand? Yeah. Time you Quinte reach. Oh, that little area over there, you know, them call it gutters. Yeah. So them call it, you know, gutters. Yeah, taxi park up here so to carry different places. One thing I can tell you about Old Harbour still, people, it's expensive. It's expensive, people. If you pay $5 for an onion, you probably come to Old Harbour come pay $8, $9, all probably $10. Yeah. That's the only thing. It's expensive, my people. We have lots of housing scheme down here to people, like a whole lot of housing scheme they down here, like gated community and other housing schemes they down here, people. Like, trust me. I tell you now. Nice communities, nice communities, people. Really, really nice. Man, I've been poking at them myself. I get 1 and 2 range up, you know. But I heard of the way you look there, so straight at Kingston side, that on the hillside and something. The bright and sunny over there. Yeah. And then you see on the road, I know people. When you drive on the road, you have to look out for your taxi man, them, you know. Because them literally I take 10 minutes from Spanish Town to Old Harbour. And vice versa. Yeah. that them literally a take people 10 minutes. Them did like a plane. Once them load, so all the taxi man the way here in the town did the same one or whatever. Them get all the one, he could have passed me. Yeah, he could have come past me. Them not ramp on the road of people. When you drive on the road, you have to look out for them taxi man. Cause why? I tell you no. Them not ramp. Them not ramp at all. And there's a whole heap of land down here, so same way, you know, people. Alright. So to my right, it stretch go all the way back to the toll road, to the highway. The highway where them bill where you have to pay the toll, it there to my right, over there, so. You get me? And there's still a certain amount of land space before you reach the road. Some sections you can see the road, and some sections it really there a distance, you know? To my left, whole heap of space over the people. Whole heap of space. Whole heap of space. So, we don't know in the future how that go, right? Yeah, St. Catherine have whole heap of space, and St. Catherine seems to be the go-to place for them build up like whole heap of houses. And why I think because it is pretty much close to Kingston and St. Andrew, like it border Kingston and St. Andrew. So, and as you know, a lot of persons work in Kingston and St. Andrew. People left from Ochi, St. Mary, whole heap of places. But they have like a St. Thomas and Poland, because them places they even too far, not even too far from Kingston and St. Andrew. But yeah, like St. Mary, people left from people left from Ochi come at Kingston and St. Andrew come work. And of course St. Catherine, because you know Portmore and St. Catherine, and you understand. Yeah, whole heap of people will live at Portmore, them actually work in a Kingston and St. Andrew. Whole heap of people live at Portmore, them work the side there. You get me? Now, I guess why them a build up so much housing scheme as me say, because this probably the next door. The parish are the next door Kingston and St. Andrew. So St. Catherine seems to be like the go-to parish. You know, they always are trying to find space and places. Lady, don't do that. Wow, walk out on the road, Jano. You don't know who would drive behind the wheel. But anyways, yeah, so them always a build house on the land. So as I say, them space where we are looking for like people, a crazy land space there over the people, like a lot of space. You get me? So as I say, in the future, we all know how that go in the future. We all know how that go. Alright, on my right hand side are Jamaica broilers. Yeah. Chicken people them. Yeah man. The best dressed chicken. Yeah, and them this. I feel them head office this down here so. Yeah, this are like, you know, I guess the administrative stuff them go on over here so some because them have a, like how they call it, you know, where them kill the fowl them or something I think that they closer to Old Harbour. Yeah, than right so. You get me? Yeah. I think that like area Makuk spend too. Yeah, I think the Makuk spend the area anymore there right now. So people as me I tell you now, to my right, whole heap of land. To my left, whole heap of land space. That a Macooks Plain Primary School just passed. So yeah, we in the area, Macooks Plain community. People in the summertime, all of them mango tree are bare, are ripe up. Right now, a couple of them have 1 and 2 young mango. Yeah, them young. But me I telling you, like summertime on the pass, mango loaded. On the tree them, on the ground mango drop. People just park up, pick mango, all them things that happen. Ask me what type of mango, me don't know. Me don't know. Would I say, probably, you know the mango them call beefy, the big mango there? It want look like one little crossbreed with beefy and stringy. So me never know. So you know as big. You get me? But yeah. But you see it? You see how much of them? All of them are mango tree in the people. I tell you now, when summertime, just a loaded, people just park up and pick mango. And eat mango, me I tell you now. Yeah. You come and Woolaba, everybody know you so. And under them tree is a little hot spot, a chill spot for the police them too. Them love for chill out here so. Hide them car way over on the side and hide them bike and try for catch you, because the speed limit right just have 50 miles per hour. So you can only imagine people. So them try to catch you, a whole heap of food them eat or something. Yeah. Feed them little, you know, honey spot right there, so them little sweet spot. Alright, so we have a stoplight down there so. And then we're about to go up on Old Harbour Road. Sell apple and them thing there. How to eat the apple. And as you can see again, a more mango tree. Them full of blossom plus them have a young mango on it. Yeah. Only for mango tree people. And I say when the summertime comes, the people them just full out here. And I pick mango. And have some people pick them and bag them up and I sell them too, right? Oh, that's a too. I tell you, and people buy it. Because I guess you probably have some people them can't but stop and pick no mango and them something there. You know? So them just see a man already pick them and say I sell them, them just support him, you see me? Yeah. I guess you have, you know, kind of PM theme efforts of getting the mangoes them out of the tree for you. Alright, so the left right is a featherbed lane. Yeah, featherbed lane that people. So remember me that tell you so the traffic where coming now stretch from out of the roundabout and then after featherbed lane them get a little smooth sailing till them approach the town of Old Harbour. So yeah. So it's like, I'm see a rush hour. In the morning, it reverse. So in the mornings, right just to go in that direction of traffic. Go in the direction that me are going to traffic there. And as you can see, nothing name rain out of them places. Nothing name rain. So people, me I go do a live video real soon, you know. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the live before or after that video I get for post. But there will be a live video real soon because as I say, whole heap of new people there and you know, just want big up the new people them live. You understand? If them have all the questions or nothing them want ask, nothing them want say, you know, them can drop them input and get a response immediately live and direct. You get me? So yeah, we're gonna do that. And then we have some content to come to, you know, people like yeah. We have something where we're still gonna do a tour them, we driving and we rain, you know? But we're gonna just pull up at some spot and yeah, unleash yourself. You see me? Whether by holding a vibe and make you see what go on, or by cooking some food and showing what go on. Because a lot of times we do some driving and we drive to some place. I really a vibe will go hold me, I tell you now. Yeah man, I really a vibe will go hold a lot of the time, but we just never show that side right there. You understand? So we're gonna show that side right there too. Yeah, we're planning to show that side right there too. You know? And see how it's set. And see if we don't like them content there. And then we know how we approach it going forward, you know? Yeah. Oh, that's a now name LiQWYD. Yeah, we're up on Old Harbour Road, heading into Spanish Town. And I'm wondering, my people, if I should take you through the town of Spanish Town. That me I wonder, you know. Should I take you guys through the town of Spanish Town? Because I mean, when I go up on the bypass, for sure I know the traffic I go there. Because boys, Spanish Town bypass always have traffic. No matter which day of the week. I just like late in the night you really not see no traffic, but no matter which day of the week, in the day, the traffic I guess like traffic runoff. Traffic just always out there, so people. I don't know why. I want never take you through the town, you know. I think I probably could, you know. Yeah, man. Even when I don't want to see the town enough time, but, you know. Probably take you through the town for real, people. You don't know how that's a homestead. Yeah, you never hear about that community? It's called Homestead. Yeah. Oh, that's a congested people, congested. not that bad, you know, congested, but it's not that bad. Yeah, man, I take you through the town, my peeps. Look at traffic around this thing, but anyway, I go bypass through the town, traffic I got there. Don't see Spanish town people, they go out with night town. You know that area here, so now, you know what? Ties pen from the left hand side there, sir. Yeah. I think Ellerslie pen, they're on the right. Yeah. Well, as you know, just like everywhere in Jamaica, them get here, them have other names. Because Ties pen supposed to be Ties Meadows. Ellerslie pen supposed to be like Ellerslie Muse or Ellerslie Avenue or something like that. You know, yeah. See a sign here, I don't know if the camera pick it up, but it's actually saying Toys Meadows. See it? Welcome to Toys Meadows on the left. Yeah. Yeah, man. I know them places are dangerous ground, right? Yeah. Nice people live over there, but you also have certain elements over there too. Yeah. Traffic not that bad still. Really and truly not that bad. Because sometimes I travel on the road there and bumper to bumper in the little area. All the daytime when you have the delivery, them are go on and think the truck them park up and the bus them stop a let off people. You know, you know that bad, you know that bad. Never they expect for you try to so fast, so. It's a good thing I take care, so. As you can see, a couple people they on both sides, you know, them a look people to go home. You know, them done work and thing, them a look right to go in. Yeah. Take it round the way and taxi man they are poor and can't wait. Yeah, take it round the way. Turn around, that's up on the left people. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little lane here and go around, you know? Take a little time. Active community this, you know? As in people live there and them, you know, them yard this right so them step out and on the road, you see me? So, you know, we now go to blast through, just take a little time. So we're supposed to end up right in front of the clock of Spanish Town, right at the, in front of March Pen Road up at the top. That's how we're supposed to end up when we come out. The road bad right up at them sections of people, so vehicle have to take it little time, you know. Same thing again, people are trying to, you know, find a way for going in. So I look for go straight across, you know. I turn, wait, I turn, I must straight him on now. Alright, so right now we're up on the top of March Pen. You can get taxi if you go in a Portmore on the right hand side. Later night them park up at the top of the road right there, so we just pass. But really and truly the taxi stand they over here so. And I hear me people, you see that pole there? A camera. Yeah. No, say me should not tell you about that from long time. But the taxi stand up on the right hand side there, so look at the taxi up on the left right. So, but all of them are in a Portmore, them go Portmore. So once you go in a Portmore, you want a taxi, right to say come from March Pen Road, alright? You get the car, them carry in a Portmore, which part we are go to. Alright. So the pole now, a camera up on it people. And right now across a lot of places in Jamaica, CCT is up and running people. It's active. Yeah? It's active. Yeah, we might talk about this in a different video still, but we still can reason look upon it same way. But yeah, the CCTV, it's up and running, it's active. A lot of the times, when you might hear some news and some things that man rob somewhere and police go buck them up somewhere else, with the help of CCTV. Yeah. What them call it? Jamaica Eye. So yeah, it's well up and running here in Jamaica. You understand? It not there on the level where I say it should have there, but it's up and running. I'm not telling you a lie. It's active, yeah? Yeah man. It's a lot of places. Like a lot of places on my drive through. I tell you now, it's there. You know? I can't believe me never telling about this from longer time. But yeah, it's there. Alright, so the bypass are full of traffic people on both sides more while, as me I tell you earlier. And right now coming in to Spanish Town, look upon it. It's not that bad there now still, but it's rough. And this is supposed to be a bypass, where you bypass the town of Spanish Town. But sometime in the town the traffic flow even smoother than when they're on the bypass. I tell you, because a lot of times I try to go places where I have to go through Spain, Spanish Town, and I just drive through the town. I tell you no, I never bother think about the bypass. I tell you no. Yeah. All on Sundays people have traffic. I don't know what's up. Alright, right now light change. But here we're about to turn from Dumbolin. Carry in a Spain town, yeah? Why the man did not drive? Car broke down. Just I realize. Alright, so we're on Dumbolin. Grace Kennedy have a warehouse right up here, so, on the left hand side. You know, all of the Grace Kennedy brand them, they are stored over there. Yeah. Look to the left, see the giant baked bean. Yeah, that was creative. It's actually a water tank, I think, and they just eat the baked bean look, which is very good. Yeah. And then further down, CarMed have a warehouse as well. Now, CarMed distribute a whole heap of things, you know, people. A lot of stuff them distribute. I never know. Like some of the little stuff them in Jamaica. When me hear about CarMed, me just did things like them sell pill, then distribute medication. But the other day when them have them, like them have them official opening and right to set the line off with all of the brands them where them deliver. And sad to say I can't remember them now. But enough of them are like popular brand where we Jamaicans use. Some household items as well. You get me? So yeah. Now the bridge I take we over the highway that we could have take from Old Harbour. So yeah, underneath that bridge had actually the highway where stretch from Old Harbour or stretch from Clarendon. Yeah. So if you reach so far upon the highway, you wouldn't have to exit of Mandela. You know, that would have been the Kingston exit. Yeah, let me think. I think it would have been the Kingston exit. And probably Portmore too, yeah. Because Portmore had an exit and come off of I-95. So yeah. So if I come off Portmore, but we'd have to take it to I-95 because it bypassed the whole of the section here. I carry my I-95. So yeah, my people, even though we take the whole road, still wasn't really a bad drive, to tell you the truth. We basically cruise and look for yourself how much minutes gone. You get me? So as me that say at the beginning, enough people that say, oh, whole Harbour country. Yes and no. But me right, a gated community named Phoenix Village Park, I think. Yeah. Gated community. I think I saw one like phase 5 and 6 or 4 and 5. I don't remember. Don't quote me. But yeah. And further down you have the first part them, the first set of phase them. Nice gated community too. The people them were built right so they were also developers for a lot of communities in a whole Harbour as well. So yeah. Them basically come take up which part Matalan left off. I don't know Matalan build Portmore, right? Yeah. Although these persons they're not building houses like Matalan did build. I know Matalan build different type of houses. These people just build like I think 2 and 3 bedroom houses them build. I think, yeah. And I think all of them communities where them building at St. Catherine supposed to be gated communities, yeah. And you know, you got fairly decent lot size. Yeah, you got fairly decent lot sizes, people. Honestly, you did. Yep, you did. On the left hand side of Dumbolin football team home ground. For all who follow football. know about them bowling. Big side, you know, people. Yeah, man. Yeah. Now up on the right hand side at the entrance to the same Phoenix Village Park or Phoenix, I'm gonna tell you the correct name real soon because it's up on the wall. Phoenix Park Village. Okay, yeah. So these are like the first set, the first phases were built. And over there is really nice, people. Gated community, it's huge, but it's really nice. Really, really nice. Nice lot sizes, and you know the houses are nice and everything. Yeah. Maybe one day I'll give you guys a tour, you know? Yeah. On the left, I see now a Caribbean estate. Nice gated community this as well. These are one of the community them in a Jamaica or that side of Jamaica will set the precedence for gated communities. Like over here, so you have so each block is gated. So me can live in my block and you live over your block and we not have access to each other's block. So so each block gated within the community. Plus you have the perimeter fence. You understand? So yeah. I'll explain again just in case you miss it. So the whole community is gated. And within the gated community, all the blocks are gated as well. So me tell you if you come link me, and me have to get access for coming on my block. You understand? Yeah, people. It trust me, it's nice over there. I say it set the precedence. You know, security up, all of them things there. Yeah. And a play thing, you get me? Yeah, man. When you're over there, you not even feel like you're in a Portmore. May I tell you the truth? You don't even feel like you're in a Portmore. Trust me, people. Nice place, you know? And speaking about that, you can basically say we now enter into Portmore. On the right, so you have 8 West. And on the left, right, so as you can see the sign, you get me? And a matter of fact, we are going to take it through right, so to go which part we actually are go. Yeah, 3 North, alright? Yeah. Really decent community this to in a Portmore, people. Yeah, man. Really decent community. Nice houses and everything, you know? Nice size houses too. Straight ahead of me, some house are built. Yeah, this is supposed to be a gated community. As a matter of fact, the right here should be the entrance. As you can see in front of it, that's supposed to be the guardhouse. You understand? One day I'll probably give you guys a tour over here. Forgive me for the sunlight for now. Forgive me for the sun. Soon turn off. Some females come out for the work. Like to see, man. You would see me come off of it. Yeah, man, it's a good look, people. And it's a gated community supposed to over there. So them actually build them here with block and steel and something. Not like a regular house, so them build it with them. Board it up and then them cast it, the concrete, them actually lay a block over there, so people. One day, I definitely go on a tour. We need to go do it before even the perimeter wall building, where we can't go in again. But as of right now, you can just walk through it and thing. I don't think you're allowed still, to tell you the truth, because a construction site, but yeah. It's good if we can go on a little, you know, view. I think they're going to build up everything. And then I think they're going to just bring in premix for car seat. So they might block up a portion, probably a block up a 10 or 20, car deck up a 10 or a 20, and then, you know, they might bring in the premix and cast them set there. Or maybe them do the whole of them and cast the whole of them one day, but I don't know. Or if them can cast one day, I don't know. But yeah. Well, my people, this is where we're going to close off the video still, you know. As usual, I'm always grateful for the company. I'm always grateful for the journey with me, you know. I'm so appreciative, yeah. You know. So as I said, the new subscriber them were there. Big up on yourself, alright? Yeah. All of my original people and big up on yourself. You don't know the thing go. 876 by birth, my people, and I'm out.
Wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you